Welcome to my channel, Something Mama Cooks. I'm Angelica. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So today I'm going to show you 3 air fryer dinner ideas that are very easy to make and so delicious. Here we go. Okay, so for this first air fryer meal or dinner or lunch or whatever you want to call it, here I have some salmon pieces and I seasoned it in this rub that I created, and let me tell you what's in here. I mixed up 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. It's a light chili powder. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar. I added a teaspoon of lemon pepper, a teaspoon and a half of salt, gave it a mix, and this is what I seasoned the salmon with. Now I also added olive oil before I seasoned it, but you can use any store-bought rub, spice mix, spice blend that you prefer. And I'm just going to add some olive oil. And this is salted lemon pepper, and I'm just going to, here, I'll do it like this. Go all over the broccoli. And I'll just give it a mix. And this is ready for the air fryer. Okay, so here in my air fryer basket, I'm gonna add my broccoli. Kind of make sure that's mixed up. And I'm also going to place my salmon pieces. Do it just like that. Okay, so here's what I've got, and it's going into the air fryer. So I've got it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, time 10 minutes, and start. Okay, so this has actually cooked for 7 minutes, so I'd say 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes works. And this is done. It's as easy as that. You have dinner, you have lunch, so good and so easy. Okay, so here's another bento box idea. I have 1 fresh sliced Persian cucumber, a combination of fresh strawberries and blueberries. Here I have, it's like 3/4 cup to a cup of brown rice cooked with red quinoa. You can just add whatever rice you want. And what I'm going to do is take, I'll tell you what, I'll take some of my broccoli, my broccolini, and place it right on top of the rice. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna work. And now I'm gonna take my piece of cooked salmon, oops, and place it right on top of the broccoli, the rice and broccolini. I keep saying broccoli, you guys, but definitely, you know, broccoli works in this recipe, by the way. So this will be a delicious, I say healthy, bento box lunch idea. Yum. So I have a tiny microphone. Hopefully this helps with the kitchen echo. So that was the first of 3 air fryer dinner ideas. Here's the other 2. To start, I'm going to create a dry mix rub. Here I have Lowry's seasoning salt. I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons, a little bit of smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon. I'm going to go in with some onion powder, garlic powder, teaspoon of each, ½ teaspoon to a teaspoon of each, lemon pepper. Give it a mix. And this is what I'm going to season my chicken with. You could use any rub that you like or combination of seasonings and spices that you prefer. But this works for me. Here we go. Here I've rinsed my chicken. This is a whole chicken. This is around 3.5 pounds. of a whole chicken that I rinsed, patted dry. Now I'm going to add several tablespoons of olive oil and just sort of rub it all over the skin. So with a clean hand, I'm going to do my best to season this and go right into the cavity with the dry seasoning mix and just all over the exterior. I've already sprayed this with some non-stick cooking spray, the cooking oil that comes in the spray form, and I'm going to place my chicken breast side down, just like that. Here I have 2 small whole onions that I like to add in. These are just going to be roasted onion. Here I am trying not to make a mess there. We'll do it like that. So I'm gonna clean my hands and I'll show you the temp and the cook time. Okay, clean hands. So this is going into my air fryer for breast side down for about 35 minutes in a 360-degree air fryer temp. Okay, so this is cooked 35 minutes on the first side. I'm gonna flip it over carefully here. I'm actually gonna flip over the onion as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna sprinkle more of the seasoning mix over the top. And it smells wonderful. That smoked paprika gives it kind of like that pollo asado smell, the grilled smell. Okay, going back into the air fryer for another, this is a smaller chicken, so I'm gonna do about 25 minutes. Check the temp. You'll want the temperature to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So the cook time is always going to vary. And another point I'd like to make is if you're starting with an extra cold chicken, that's going to create more cook time and less of an even cook. So you want to make sure you're working with a really good thawed chicken that you kind of left out on the counter for about 15 or 20 minutes to get the chill off. Okay, going back in. So check that out. It is definitely done. So I'm going to remove it from the air fryer basket and let it rest. There we go. Looks great. And here are my little onions. I'm going to chop those up, but just let them hang out. Okay, so you can loosely tent this with foil, and you'll definitely want to let it rest for at least 20-25 minutes. I'm probably going to let this set for about 30. so let's make air fryer meatloaf dinner. I'll say this is dinner for two. You might have a little leftovers, or you could make this for one with leftovers for meatloaf sandwiches maybe later. Okay, so here I'm starting with 1 pound of lean ground beef. To that, you could add fresh onion. I'm going with dried, dehydrated minced onion. This is about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm gonna go in with, this is 2 tablespoons of dry breadcrumbs. Yep, and I'm using leftover ketchup, you guys. This will be about 2 ounces of ketchup. For my Texas people, you know Whataburger, and you know their little fancy ketchup packets. I'm also gonna add 3 tablespoons of, actually this is half and half, whole milk works. I'm gonna add maybe 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 large egg, and a little bit of soy sauce, or you can just add your salt, black pepper, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Clean hands, give it a mix. Okay, once it's mixed, I'm just gonna let it hang out and prep my potatoes. Okay, so I have 2 potatoes. You're gonna need about 1 pound of peeled and cut potatoes. So I'm gonna peel these. Okay, so my potatoes are peeled and chopped. So now I also rinsed them in cold water and just sort of patted them dry before chopping. I'm gonna add just maybe 1 tablespoon of, here I'm using, you guys always ask, grapeseed oil. Olive oil works. So I guess you would call these maybe ranch potatoes. Here I have some ranch dressing seasoning, the dry ranch mix. I'm gonna go with 1 tablespoon. Going in with garlic powder. Just 1/4 teaspoon. Cracked black pepper. Onion powder. I would say 1/4 teaspoon. I'm not really measuring, but you know, you guys can season your potatoes however you like, by the way. I'm going in with just a dash of smoked paprika. And I say dash, probably 1/4 teaspoon. Now, clean hands, mix. It smells good. Ready. Okay, so I have, this is, the air fryer I'm using today is a larger one. This is like a 6-quart air fryer, I believe. I'm gonna add my potatoes. Okay, so I kind of shaped the meatloaf already. So let's shape that the best you can. Place it. Okay, I went ahead and washed my hands. So this is gonna go into the air fryer. Okay, so I have it set to 380, 375 works, and it's going for 45 minutes. And halfway through, I'm going to stir the potatoes a little bit, give them a shake or move them around, and I'm gonna glaze the meatloaf with some barbecue sauce, but that is optional. Okay, so it's halfway. Oh yeah, I can already feel the potatoes. So I have just this little to-go container of barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna pour it right on top, just a little bit to glaze it. Okay, I actually think another 10 minutes and this is done. So it's less than 45 minutes that I think the cook time for this. Okay, so here is dinner, and I'm gonna be serving this with a side salad. Baby spinach, leaves, tomato, very easy, and these potatoes are so crispy. Let's see. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna cut into this. That's why you want to let it rest, because all the juices will come out, but it's cooked through perfectly. So I think 370, 35 to 45 minutes, maybe 35 to 40 at 370. The 380 worked as well, but it did get a little more caramelized on the top, so it's up to you, but yum, look at that. So here's dinner. Air fryer meatloaf and crispy ranch potatoes with a side salad. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.